right, hi everyone. My name is Conrad Nat. So I want to show you what I'm using OpenClaw for the most every day is for creating content. And so I started using like Claude Code and created the skill and created these skills and organized them to this like end-to-end content engine. And it started like in January with like doing research. I would like put in and find an interesting article. Then I would pass that into like my deep research skill that would research like a lot more deeper into it and then create original content. And then I would like repurpose it. I also built like a website where you can launch an OpenClaw agent and manage it like very easily for like non-technical people. So that's called augme.world. And so I want to show you the skill and I'll show you like some examples of it. And so basically there's also like a page with all the skills here, but I keep them in a repository here. And it has like all these sub skills and some of the examples. So it starts with like my like business thesis and like content style like strategy, and like I keep all the commands like style guides in Markdown files, and it keeps updating the the Markdown files. So it updates the style files for every type of content type, and it updates like the strategy, the business strategy, or like the viral growth strategy based on like the social media analytics, the data I get. So I do this daily like performance report, and it goes through all of my accounts and gets things like the likes, the comments, shares, and so on. So I get this, and then at the end it shows you like areas for improvement, things you can try differently. So the idea is that it's constantly self-improving. And so I'll show you some examples. Like today, there's like this. So I was like reading about this, the Hermes agent. So I gave it this command to research this, and it created this carousel. So you can see on Instagram, this is what it looks like. And so it went and read a lot about this this open source project called Hermes, how it works, all this like news articles about it, about its origins, and created this carousel with the images. And it also goes into creating the blog posts. So the blog posts are really great. Like they're like tutorials, or some of them are like news articles. And so I'm like reading this every day and like improving it. And so I know like the content is like really good. So it's like I'm learning and I'm discovering new information and also creating content. And then also like there's this like it creates these like short form videos. So I also want to show you a few of these. Like.
A trading bot turned $313 into $437,000 in 1 month. AI agents on Hyperliquid hit.
A 40% win rate. Double the human average. 78% of the insulin.
Right. I'll play it for my speakers. So like this.
78% of defeat on Solana is already run by bots. A trading bot turned $313 into $437,000 in 1 month. AI agents on Hyperliquid hit. A 40% win rate, double the human average. Yield farming agents were balanced across 10 protocols in under 2 seconds. Every major exchange launched AI agent integrations in Q 2026. Crypto was never built for humans. It was built for machines. The only question is whether you control one.
And then I want to show you another type. It's like AI film.
In 2030, the world stopped consuming content and started creating it. From a campus in Malaysia, I told my AI agent one story about building the future with 100 strangers who became family. The film went everywhere. Then the bounties came. Network School wanted the world to see what we were building. This is the network state, and everyone's invited.
So it does like face swap, and this is like another type, and it's kind of cringe, but it's like it costs pretty cheap. It's like under $1 for each 30-second video, and so I'm like really playing with this, and so I have been doing this for like almost a month. So yeah, so that's what I want to show you. And it cross-posts to all the platforms like TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter as well.